Hi, welcome to Motocare Manual video. The first page is the login page. On this page, user inputs login details, which can either be phone number or email, and then the password, which gives you access, and then you see the dashboard. Now the dashboard contains my account, side menu, and other pages. And the first is my account. When we click on my account, we see my profile, your payment settings, support, logout. I'm going to be taking you through all of them. The first is my profile. This page helps the user manage his or her profile. So if you want to make any changes, this is where you should be. It contains all your details, all your personal information. Then your payment. This page displays the user's payment history, but this one is currently empty because no payment has been made to any engineer just yet. Then the settings. This page helps the user make changes to his or her password. So if you want to change your password, this is where you should be and just update it. Simple. Then we have the support. If you have any issue, review, or complaint, and you want to report or access our support team, this is where you should be. Then we have the side menu. As shown, it has a dashboard, cars, car services, my engineers, my request, tool services, expenses, vehicles, license and insurance, fueling the mileage, and reminder. Then we have cars. Now this page shows all the details concerning the car the user saves on the app. When you save a car, this is where you should be. Now to save a car, you see your cars. Now when you click on that button as circled on the screen, it's going to give you details that you should fill, which are brand, model year, plate number, color, current, odometer, mileage, VIN chassis number, etc. Then we move to car services. Now this page displays all the services offered by Motocare to a user's car, and this requires an engineer. When you click on the request button, you are going to see an option. Either you pick car repair or you pick car service. Now when I click on the car repair, I'm going to see options like select your car, select engineer, and describe car problem. Write your problem there and then your request. Very simple. Then when I click on car service, I see select your car, select engineer, select service type. If your service type is not there, you click on other service type and then you request. Now you see your engineers. Now this place is under my engineers, and this page is for when the user wants to access an engineer he or she has recently used. Then we move to my request. Now this page helps the user view or monitor the progress of any request made or rates any engineer the user has used. Then we move to the tow services. This page shows the user all he or she needs to know concerning our towing service. And the next page we're going to be seeing is our secured payment gateway. Now this is what it looks like. If you want to make your subscriptions, this is what you're going to see. Very easy. It's all linked to the app. Then we have expenses. This page is for the user to monitor expenses made, varying from the car to vendor and so on. All your expenses, they are all here. Then if you want to add expense, because you can actually add your expense, you are supposed to add your expense, this is where you come and click on that button. Then you see what you need to do. Now the page that comes up is date of expense, select your car, vendor name, expense name, amount, description, etc. Now vehicle license and insurance. This displays details on requesting or updating a vehicle license. When the user clicks on vehicle insurance, this comes up. Select insurance type and select action, and then you proceed. But when the user selects vehicle license, this comes up. Select action. So there's a drop down and you have options where you can pick from. Then we're moving to fueling and mileage. Now this helps the user to know the total distance covered on a certain volume of fuel. So you know the mileage you covered and the fuel you use. Now to impute your new mileage record, you click on the part highlighted on the screen, and this part comes up for you to fill up with the date. Select your car, current odometer, price, amount, liter, fueling station, then you save. Then the next is your reminders. This is where the user sees any notification or reminder that has been set, such as due dates. If the user wants to set a reminder, he or she clicks on the button and then the reminder name, other and reminder interval comes up and you save. Very easy. That's how you save a reminder. And this is logout. When you click on it, you'll be logged out of Motocare app. Thank you.